Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your web comic app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on more down here. When you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on privacy in data here. When you click on it, it's going to take us to this list. Then you click here on delete data or cancel here authorization. So then you click here on delete the data associated with me here on cancel the authorization. Then it's going to cancel with you or delete with you here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.